If you love coffee but have a sensitive stomach, or perhaps you have acid reflux and coffee's just too hard on you, I might have a solution for you. The last couple months I've been testing out low acid and no acid coffees. I've narrowed it down to two specific brands. One is called Tyler's, the other one is Life Boost. The rest of them tasted a little off, but these two really came in with top marks. So let's check them out, and by the end of the video, you can order these off Amazon through my link in the description. Hopefully it will be some coffee that's easy on your stomach and easy to digest. I just want to zoom in here on the Tyler's coffee. Now this is acid-free coffee. This is organic coffee, it's whole bean. 12 ounces is going to cost you about $17. If we take a look at the back of the Tyler's bag, it does list quite a few benefits to this acid-free coffee. It minimizes the damage to your tooth enamel, reduces acid reflux, it's non-irritating to sensitive stomachs, and you don't get any heartburn or indigestion or bloating off of this coffee. There's really no bitter aftertaste on this coffee. It's super smooth. Now this is Life Boost coffee. This is low acid coffee. It's not no acid coffee like Tyler's. It's just low acid. This is also organic, non-GMO. This is pure whole bean coffee, light roast. Once again, no bitter aftertaste, and all pretty much the same benefits as the Tyler's. Main difference is the Life Boost coffee costs about $30 for 12 ounces. Now if we take a look at the back of the Life Boost coffee, it boosts a lot of benefits as well. Certified organic, single origin, shade grown, low acid, sun dried, high elevation, and fair trade. This is a kind of an expensive coffee. Like I said, it's about $30 for 12 ounces. Once again, a really good choice. This is probably one of the most healthy coffee beans you can buy. Let's grind and brew a cup of this coffee and see how it looks. Now there's a finished 8-ounce cup of coffee. Check out that ½ inch of crema on top. When it comes to recommending any products on my channel, I generally recommend the most bang for the buck. You cannot beat the Tyler's coffee for the taste, the smoothness, the no aftertaste, no bitterness, easy on the stomach for 17 bucks. They're almost double in price on the Life Boost. Now granted, this is third-party tested for chemicals, herbicides, pesticides. This is probably the healthiest coffee you can buy, but also some of the most expensive. So the Tyler's, you just can't beat it for the price and the quality. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you try. And I hope this is easy on your stomach and you're back to drinking some coffee that you enjoy. Thanks for watching.